I've been picking up dead stuff for so long, you know, that I just see the beauty in the things. They don't, you know, I know they're, you know, a skull can be a reminder of our own mortality, but, you know, there it is. It's what it is, isn't it? It also lasts beyond death, so there's a positive there for you. Don't you start barking, Bear. Put you upstairs.
It's very cute.
Yeah, I'm jealous of his eyes.
Yeah.
I'd like 2 different coloured eyes.
Yeah. Has your relationship to the work changed since the last show?
No, I don't think so. It's different because most of it's not based on the Hebrides stuff, because I've not been up there since lockdown. I've always felt, I still do feel, that the West Coast is a very inspiring place. So it was slightly sort of revelatory that I could get the same, I could still make good work with materials that I was finding much closer to home. Everything you find has its own history and, you know, its own symbology as well.
So that's the big change in the work?
It is essentially, yes, it is. I mean, everything that I've collected really for this new stuff is from along the river, you know, in the roundabouts here. So the only rule is the objects that I use, really. I mean, they have to be found. Ideally, I have to find them, although Bo is quite good at finding things. And I think there probably is more storytelling in there.
Is it important that the people that see your work know the story?
No, they've got to bring their own, they've got to bring something to it themselves, otherwise there's no point. I'm not just sort of making these things to sort of illustrate anything particularly, just trying to generate some thoughts. It could just be the symbology attached to something that I find, or, you know, that will sort of start something. Often what happens is that, it sounds a bit odd, but the story sort of just comes together. The main process is finding which things go together, which, I mean, I've got masses of stuff, you know, masses of stuff I've found. So it's finding, I don't know, it's a funny process. It's not something I go into thinking, all right, I need that skull to go with that bone, you know, it's not like that. There's a certain amount of trial and error with certain things, and sometimes you just put 2 or 3 objects together and you know that that's the right combination, so that's something good, that's a positive. I have had reactions, unfavourable reactions. There's a lot of remains in there that some people find disturbing or makes them think about stuff they don't want to think about.
It does divide people.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
No, I don't want anything bland. I'd rather have a clear division between the lovers and the haters. I get a big kick out of it when somebody connects with them. That's the best bit for me, because they always bring something new. That's enlightening for me. It's not all about what I'm trying to say, it's what people bring with them when they see the work. That's the kick that I get.